In this video, I'm revealing how you can earn $600 daily by watching YouTube videos. It's a fresh approach to earning PayPal money just by watching videos online in 2024. Curious about how? Well, let's dive right in. This is your guide to making money from watching YouTube videos. Hey, I noticed something interesting. Only a tiny fraction of my viewers have actually hit that subscribe button. If you find value in what I'm sharing today, why not subscribe and turn on those notifications? It's completely free, and you can always unsubscribe later if you change your mind. This way, you'll be the first to know when I drop new money-making strategies, giving you a head start on these opportunities. That means more money in your pocket. Let's get started. Today's video is all about how to earn $600, starting right now, just by watching YouTube videos. I know it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me for the next 10 minutes. I'm not only going to prove it's possible, but I'll show you several ways to expand this and increase your earnings even further. The best part? You don't need a website, no credit card required. It works from any country. And this might just be the most incredible money-making method you've ever discovered online. Now I know what you're thinking. Come on, Alex, there must be a catch. Well, let me tell you something interesting. While everyone else is busy chasing complicated business models and investing thousands in courses, they're missing out on simple opportunities hiding in plain sight. This method takes advantage of something millions of people are already doing every single day: watching YouTube videos. What makes this strategy so powerful is its simplicity. You don't need any special skills or technical knowledge. You don't need to show your face on camera or create any content yourself. All you need is a basic understanding of how to copy and paste links. Yes, it's that straightforward. And the best part, you can start implementing this strategy literally minutes after watching this video. I've personally tested this method across different countries, and I can tell you it works everywhere, from the United States to the Philippines, from India to Nigeria. The internet has no borders when it comes to this opportunity, and unlike other methods that might pay you pennies for hours of work, this strategy can actually generate meaningful income when done correctly. Before we jump into my computer screen, one quick thing. Drop a comment below saying Wealth Walk, and if we hit 1,000 comments, I'll release an even more powerful version of this strategy next week. Trust me, what I'm about to show you today is just the tip of the iceberg. I've been keeping some advanced techniques under wraps, and I can't wait to share them with you in the follow-up video. Now let's dive into my screen and show you exactly how this works, step by step. Get ready to take notes, because every detail matters in making this work effectively. What I'm about to show you could literally change how you think about making money online forever. Welcome to my screen, everyone. For those new to YouTube, let me tell you something fascinating. Gaming content dominates the platform. People spend more time watching gaming videos than almost any other category on YouTube. And remember, YouTube ranks as the second most visited website globally. While TikTok and other platforms are growing, YouTube remains the undisputed king of video content. Let's try something fresh. When we search for the most popular video games on Google, we see familiar names like Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto 5, and Minecraft. Think about Minecraft for a moment. It's not just a game, it's a phenomenon. Microsoft bought it for billions, and its community is absolutely massive. But here's what most people don't realize. These games aren't just entertainment anymore. They're goldmines of opportunity. Every single day, millions of people aren't just playing these games. They're constantly searching for tips, tricks, walkthroughs, and entertainment content related to them. This creates an endless stream of traffic that most people completely overlook. And it's not just the big names we're talking about. New games are constantly emerging and creating their own massive communities. Look at games like Roblox, Lethal Company, or Palworld. They've exploded in popularity almost overnight. Each new game release represents a fresh opportunity to tap into an eager, engaged audience that's actively searching for content. Using a free tool called Google Keyword Planner, we can see exactly how many searches these games get. Pay close attention to the next 6 minutes. Because if you can't invest 6 minutes learning how to make money online, chances are you won't succeed at making money online at all. When we type Fortnite into the planner, the results show 4 million monthly searches. For Minecraft, we're looking at 3.35 million monthly searches. These numbers are absolutely staggering. But what's even more interesting is that these numbers remain consistently high month after month, year after year. This isn't some temporary trend. It's a stable, long-term opportunity. And here's something fascinating. These searches aren't just coming from kids or casual gamers. We're talking about people of all ages from all walks of life, including professionals who have significant disposable income. This means when we tap into these communities, we're not just reaching a large audience. We're reaching an audience that's ready and willing to engage with content. This is exactly why major brands and companies are investing millions into gaming communities. They know this is where the attention is. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest hurdles in making money online is usually the need for a website or credit card. But this method only requires something we all have: time. We can invest this time into building passive income streams. And once we start earning, whether it's a few hundred or a few $1,000s, we can reinvest in learning advanced skills like digital marketing or e-commerce. Let me break down why this is so powerful. While everyone else is spending months building websites or thousands of dollars on advertising, you can start this today with absolutely zero investment. Think about it. How many times have you been stopped from trying an online business because you didn't have the initial capital? Well, that obstacle disappears completely with this method. And here's something most gurus won't tell you. Starting small with methods like this actually gives you a huge advantage. Why? Because you learn the fundamentals of online marketing without risking your savings. You'll understand user behavior, what makes people click, and how to optimize your earnings, all while risking nothing but your time. These are skills that normally cost thousands to learn in courses, but you'll be learning them through real-world experience. The secret weapon here is something called paid URL shorteners. Think of it like Bitly, but with a crucial difference. When someone clicks your shortened link, they see a quick advertisement before reaching their destination. The best part? You earn money every time this happens. And this isn't just some small-time operation. Major advertisers are constantly looking for ways to reach engaged audiences, and they're willing to pay good money for it. That's why these URL shortener services can afford to pay users like us. You're essentially becoming a middleman between big advertisers and the audience they want to reach, taking a cut of the advertising revenue in the process. It's the same business model that makes Google and Facebook billions, just on a scale that's accessible to everyone. There are over 40 high-paying URL shortener websites available in 2024. Popular ones include Linkvertise, Shrinkarn, and ShrinkMe. These platforms can pay up to $220 per 10,000 clicks. While 10,000 might sound like a lot, it becomes achievable when you're sharing viral content or scaling with virtual assistants. Plus, you get 20% of earnings from anyone you refer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe with notifications turned on to stay updated with our latest content. See you in the next video. This is Alex from Wealth Walk signing off.